Hi guys, good morning. Thanks for joining us. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's Friday, the 7th of August, 2020. I'm on my way to pick my brother up, and then we're going to drive to Ross-On-Wye in Herefordshire, and we are going to canoe 14 miles to Symonds Yat. It's predicted to be 30 degrees this afternoon. I'm hoping it'll be cooler on the water, so we'll have to see. Join me later. A good day hopefully will be had by all. See you soon. So here we are at the Canoe hire centre, Ross-On-Wye Canoes. It's a gorgeous day. I've just dropped my brother off at the launch site. That's why they're doing it at the moment, and then they take me over there with the equipment. It's a gorgeous day. It's getting hot already, and it's bound to get hotter, I think. So join me when we're in the canoe. What is that? So these paddles are being... So here's our first landmark. It's the first bridge we come to, and the advice is to go through the centre of the bridge, and because of the current at the moment, then keep right. Hello, dog. Hello. There's a wet dog. Come and say hello, folks. Very nice, babe. Big shingle beach I was thinking about it. The big last time was not just a waterproof case to put your sat nav in. Yes. And you could just kind of see where you were. Yeah, that would be a good idea.
That's why when I was testing my phone right at home, the code knew something different because going up and slipping it. It's not one jump back then. I don't like it. I thought you threw something in the water. No, it was a fish that jumped out of water. That was really fantastic.
That was a nice little stop, that, Pete.
Yes. Yeah, last time we came and we stopped to that place and we had to, I didn't like it very much there. There were all the people up the top.
There's a swan right in front of us, Pete. Let's go round him. There we are, there he is. There's lots of swans here.
Shingle beach on the right, so when we go around this next bend,
Yeah.
so in a minute we could possibly, depending on the trees, see the castle village actually.
Okay. Quite a few fallen trees here, isn't there? There's a castle on the hill. Goodrich Castle. There's ruins up there.
Yeah, I've been there.
Oh, there's quite a thick forest on the right here. Yeah, I remember this. It's really quiet now, isn't it?
Geez, yeah.
Just go through the middle here, I guess, Pete.
So,
It's a lovely bridge, that. So the island after it, you go right, but keep left to the right.
yes. Yeah, right to the island, but as far to the left as possible.
Yeah,
If I remember right, it just keeps trying to push you over, doesn't it?
it does, yeah. Right, so here's the island. You can either go over the rocks. Actually, we could beach up here and sit here for a bit if you wanted, or just go around and stop some further on. Well, let's go around it, shall we?
Okay. Yeah, we'll get past it, then we'll stop at the next point. So I suppose when it's quite rough, there's probably quite a bit of water to it.
Yes, I'm sure last time we came, that was running quite rapidly, that
I
side.
think they had a choice.
Yeah, and they said once you committed, just keep to the side you committed to.
Once you committed, don't stop.
But it's low today, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So we have to keep to the left side.
To the left, yeah. Maybe this is a bit of a said, so I'll keep to the left.
Oh yes, there's lots of rocks on the right here. There's only a narrow channel here, and we'll have to go
Yeah,
through
you
it.
can see the road to it.
Yeah. Here we go. I wonder if those fishermen would have caught a lot more fish if they'd have used pastry bait. There's hundreds of them.
tried something in, didn't realise how many there are.
Yeah.
It floats quite quick. No, when you sit down.
I just wonder how long I could sit in that position though with your legs here.
Yeah, because you can't move in the other position, can you? I hadn't thought about that actually.
Just jumped out of water there.
I'm just going to walk in it, Pete. May as well. Cool your feet down.
Oh, this is fully hot.
Looks very relaxing.
It's lovely, isn't it? And it's cheaper than a boat.
Make a noise, don't they?
That's a good feeding bit here.
I'm sure last time we were here we saw the peregrines flying about, didn't we?
Ah.
This is a nice little stretch, this bit, I think.
This is where we stopped on the right here.
Yes, it is.
We go along here.
Yeah, we sat watching the peregrines for a while, didn't we? It's a lovely cliff.
It's a good job we didn't wait till we got here, Vince. It's further than you think.
Yes, it is, isn't it? Oh, you can hear something flying around. Oh, here's the beach.
Yeah, that's it. That's a heaven, isn't it? Swimming along, just looking for fish.
Well, it's big, isn't it?
It's prehistoric looking up that.
Yeah. So here we're coming to our landing site, and as you can see it gets a bit busy here, river cruises and stuff, and there's a guy with a red t-shirt waiting for us, Pete. So I'm going to turn the camera off here because we're going to have to carry all our stuff and lug all our stuff up. So we're walking back to where the car's parked now. It's not far, about 20-minute walk I think. So yeah, it's been great. I'll catch you at the car. So here we are back at the car park. We've been 6 hours on the river and we stopped about, how many times? 4 times? Three times. And we brewed some coffee and we had some sandwiches and we saw herons, lots of fish. Didn't see any kingfishers today, lots of swans, lots of Canada geese. We heard one of the peregrines, I think, but we didn't see anything. So it's good, yeah. It's hot now. It wasn't so hot on the water. Some stretches were actually quite cool, thankfully, but it's really hot now, isn't it?
It is. The double heat.
Yeah, really hot. So we're going to be driving home now. So thanks for watching. Bye.